ఎలా ఉన్నారు హైదరాబాద్?
A vibrant event, more than 100 manufacturing enthusiasts joined together to discuss how to boost the machining productivity with rotary tables at the UCAM's seminar at Hyderabad.
Today we are in Hyderabad, one of the seminar which we are conducting all over India in the all industrial hub.
Over the last couple of years, it's been very good partnering with UCAM.
The meet has been very informative to all the participants in terms of their product line.
I personally developed a rotary table in UCAM 18 years back for the mining industry, which was boosted in Hyderabad region.
It gives the very good productivity and very customers are very happy with the BMW and UCAM collaborated machines.
Maybe a new 4th axis machine for 26 lakhs.
Yeah, sure, why not?
The problem, is reducing day by day.
The crowd were very keen on understanding how UCAM is also providing gear manufacturing solutions with the Nimble Machines brand.
Today we have talked about lot of importance on technology. We also look forward in the future to customize to the new requirements of mining industry and also to the aerospace industry.